The importance of acoustical performance in architectural design. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we examine the critical matter of sound control in architectural design and review relevant terminology such as sound transmission class, STC, and outdoor-indoor transmission class, OITC. In some urban areas, sound control is becoming an important driver of the glazing system. Here you can see a couple of examples of urban settings where sound control is critical. Urbanization is a trend today in many cities, and that is people returning from the suburbs back into the urban areas, which has really driven the growth of high-rise multifamily projects. People are gaining interest in moving back into urban areas. So this has increased the noise and sounds in large urban environments. So now sound control for interior occupant comfort is becoming a big driver in the systems being used in urban environments. Many businesses, especially international ones, are interested in being located closer proximity to airports. While this is convenient, it produces other problems. Dual glazed curtain walls, such as this one detailed here, are being used in applications like this very close to airports. To stop sound entering a building, you want to disrupt the sound waves as much as you can. We do this by varying the density and spacing and makeup of the materials that the sound waves must pass through. A dual glazed curtain wall, like the one illustrated here, gives you two insulating glass units with an air gap between them to disrupt the pattern. The key to increasing the OITC rating of a system is by disrupting the pattern of the sound waves and varying the material thickness and air spaces the waves need to pass through. As you change the thickness and the material the waves pass through, it changes the wave pattern, disrupting the wave and breaking down and reducing the sound ultimately passing through. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.